how do we actually make use of this foresight that knowing that Bayshore in future will be selling at $3,000 per square foot and the next preceding land will not come cheaper? What a buyer should be doing at this point in time, I would think that if you are looking to enter into the Bayshore area in let's say 6 to 12 months time when the developer starts to launch, right, how about consider looking at areas which are along the MRT line such as Sungai Bedok MRT station, whereby you actually have 999 options there which are selling below $3,000 per square foot, or even further up to town, places like Marina area, which they are also going to have a major transformation. They are currently selling at about $3,000 per square foot. So if today you are able to buy something at $3,000 per square foot in Marina area, which is so much closer to town, before Bayshore area start to launch, wouldn't that be a little bit more logical? So as to what a buyer and seller should be doing in this market, I always fall back to my 3 golden principles, which is number 1, start saving and start investing as early as possible, because as we age, the amount of leverage decreases. Next, constantly increasing your asset net worth by upgrading to the next asset class as soon as you can in a safe and stable manner so that you can build your capital. Last but not least, always try to have at least 18 months to up to 24 months of safety buffer of your available capital to tide through difficult times. For buyers, today, since we have the crystal ball that the Bayshore area will be launching at about $2,800 to $3,000 per square foot, my recommendation that is aligned with my 3 golden principles is to start looking for opportunities around the area and to look at other similar OCR areas to find value, because in the next coming weeks we'll be seeing launches in the OCR area. They are selling at about 2,000 PSF plus minus, and that is like a safety buffer of almost 50% from the upcoming new launches in Bayshore and even in Chuan Grove, which was a GLS that was recently done, and further uptown Marina area, whereby we have One Marina Gardens that you can find value buys at $3,000 per square foot in Marina area. Some will say that the exit will be difficult, but I always think that it's always about the entry pricing. When in future, 4 years down the road, when Bayshore OCR is trying to exit in the resale market at $3,600 per square foot, do you think it's easier for you to sell your Marina Bay area at the same entry price?